shows. Playing music together in your room, but there was nowhere else to go. Or do you ever think back on when you were a kid? Midsummer night's bliss and a kiss from the girl you grew up and missed. The hope and truth, the vigor of youth, the broken dreams that just might still come true. Our view of the world, not cynical, not so critical, not yet prisoners of political hypocrisy, democracy, and where we believe in like a museum of things to discover. I remember drinking on the steps of the courthouse, running from the cops at the shows, playing music together in your room, but there was nowhere else to go. I remember drinking on the steps of the courthouse.